Hey everyone! Well, what a weird night. We have Thanksgiving tomorrow. It is Thanksgiving tomorrow in the US, and it's definitely less liquidity tonight. It's been very volatile, sort of hard to see where the trend actually was, especially on the open. A lot of volatility. We then had a little bit of a move after the open, after about an hour after the open, and then we've just been going sideways since. So if we look at everything here, I haven't taken any trades today. As I said, it's like the start. When I've said this a few times, the start of an account is the most important part. As I start to build the account, I'll be more aggressive. I'll be taking more trades. But what people do is when they get a brand new either fully a live account or a fully funded account, they tend to overtrade, trade too many large position sizes, and blow their account. So I'm not going to do that. I'm looking for the highest quality trades at the start. If it takes me a little bit longer, then that's just what I'm going to have to do. So I want to slowly build the account up. As I get a buffer, as I get more profit in the account, I can be more aggressive and take more trades. So if we look at the NASDAQ here on the open, this is the whole open down this area here. It was very volatile beforehand. Now there was a small possibility of a trade, which was this one down here. You can see I had my levels in here. I thought it would come back down to this level. It did do a double bottom. It then did this really strong bar afterwards, but I just thought it was too volatile beforehand. Now, even if I took this, it would have gone up and come back down, so it wouldn't have been a significant move. We did then have this move all the way up, and it was really weird. It was just like, as I said, there's just less liquidity in the market today. It is a holiday tomorrow. And then this is where we are now, just a lot of volatility and going sideways. I said this yesterday, we go to the 4-hour chart, and I was actually quite surprised, to be honest. Had a couple of levels in there. This was the other main level here. I thought that we might actually get a little bit of a move down. This is very strong now, okay, that we've actually gone up. We've slightly broken this high. So what I'm possibly looking for now, especially maybe over the next couple of days, is maybe come back down, make a little bit of a higher low and come up as this moving average comes around. So it's looking a lot better, a lot more positive for the upside. We do have Thanksgiving tomorrow. We then have a half day on Friday. So that means less liquidity, more volatility, but it also could mean, because this market is so strong at the moment, there's probably not going to be any sellers. So we could just continue going up from here. You can see very clearly here what we had is we had this move up, then we had an actual pullback. We had this move up, then another pullback. This is kind of gone into all one move. So we haven't really had enough of a pullback. So I think we will need to have some sort of pullback fairly soon, but it's kind of a weird week this week. It's obviously, as I said, Thanksgiving, a lot less than usual, and we've just got to be patient. So there hasn't been much tonight. Positive is, obviously there's nothing negative on the account, but there also hasn't been anything of real significance that's been of a really high probability to take. But we'll get going. As I said, I have no problems at all in once things get going that we'll be able to do, I don't want to mention money on the account, but have success on the account quite quickly. I just think that from my 31 years experience of trading, the start of the account, it's like starting a new business. The start is the most important, and we don't want to have any big losses. We don't want to take any silly trades against the trend, and you don't want to get into negative territory and then really hugely affect your psychology. So good news for tonight, nothing really special, but we'll get ready for tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Some people might take the next couple of days off. I'll still be here. I'll still be doing the recaps, still be doing the lives. Any opportunity I can do to take a proper trade, then I'll be here for. So thanks for watching. Please like us and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.